For a classic pony, be sure to start with a pony binder and hairbrush nearby. Use one hand to gather all the hair together and the other hand to brush the hair. Start by brushing all the hair back towards your hand, smoothing it out. For a mid-pony, position your hand a little above the ears in the middle of the back of the head. I choose to brush the hair on top of the head straight back, covering the hair part. But you can leave the hair part by slightly brushing it down at the part and then brushing back towards your hand. Before putting the pony binder in, make sure the hair underneath your hand that gathered the hair is smooth. If not, be sure to brush up towards your hand. With one hand, continue to hold all the hair where the pony will be. With the other hand, wrap a pony binder around the hair so that the hair goes through it. Twist the binder once so it makes a half twist against the pony. Put the hair between the binder again, bringing the binder to the other side of the pony. Continue this twisting procedure until the pony binder is tight enough around the pony to hold the hair in place. Then take a brush and brush the hair down, smoothing out any flyaways or tangles that may have formed.